Dreambaby's hinged metal furniture anchors help secure the furniture to the wall in an upright position to avoid accidental tipping. Let's look at how to install it properly. Carefully read the instructions fully before starting your installation. Identify the wall bracket orientation suitable for your furniture. Then, locate the best installation position on the furniture. The bracket must be installed into a solid part of the furniture. With the furniture brackets in place, work out the wall bracket position. For drywall, ensure each cable is attached to a separate wall stud. The furniture must be centered between the wall studs as closely as possible. Carefully slide out the furniture. Hold the furniture brackets onto this solid part of the furniture and mark the screw positions with the pencil. To loosen or remove the wall fitting, press the release slider hard up against the cable clamp and simultaneously pull the cable out. Drill the pilot holes so that the brackets are aligned with the pencil marks. Then, screw in the furniture brackets using the included fittings. Once the furniture brackets are set, we can move on to the wall brackets. Note the two holes are positioned at the top of the bracket with the single hole at the bottom. Position the top of the wall bracket so that it is just below the bottom of the furniture bracket. Mark the 3 holes with the pencil, then drill the pilot holes on the marks. Screw the wall brackets in using the appropriate fittings for your type of wall. Wood screws are included. For brick and masonry, use the appropriate fittings not included. Once completed, slide the furniture back into position and pull the cable on the wall bracket tightly to ensure there is no slack. Remember, a minimum of 2 cables must be used on any single furniture item. Regularly check the cables are tight and securely anchored. For proper use with an extra wide, tall, and heavy or stacked furniture, additional furniture anchors must be used.